Hi, my name is David, and I'll be showing you just a brief run-through of how to install the SimpleTech Duo Pro drive enclosure. Okay, so first you want to start off by removing your enclosure out of the box. So pretty much you'll have this enclosure, and you'll need a screwdriver and your two drives. Pretty much to open this, the portion with the rubber, with the these little rubber moldings, that's going to be the part that slides out. So just slide it off, and on the inside you'll see that you have your screws, the main circuitry, and it's pretty much just a board that'll come out like this. Okay, so essentially what you'll be doing is installing a drive onto this side, and the other drive will go on the underside, which will be this side as well. Okay, so for this side, there's going to be the side without the cables. You want to just slide your drive right into that connector right there. Okay, just slide it in, and pretty much you wanna mount it onto this metal bracket. So you would use the screw here and the screw right there. And the other side would pretty much use these cables right here. Aside from that, you just place it back into the enclosure, and you just seal it up and then screw on the siding.